So I've done a few videos lately regarding wage garnishments and how bankruptcies will stop wage garnishment, but that is different from child support, which is what I'm focusing on now. A lot of times I hear people say, can it just garnish my wages? This came out of nowhere. And the reality is it did not come out of nowhere. Typically in a court order or if there was an agreement, but there's going to be reference that a wage garnishment could be issued at any time for spousal support or child support. Sometimes there's wording to the effect that maybe if you're late, they're going to do it. But the reality is typically it says they can do it at any time. And also, even if it's not there, they're allowed to do it by state statute as well. But the other thing that I want you to realize is a lot of times people say, well, they're not deducting it from my paycheck, and now they're back in court on a motion for contempt. The fact is, just because the wage garnishment hasn't gone through, which could take a month, could take several months, just depending if we're dealing with a small business, court orders, etc., this could take time. A child support or spousal support obligation will be clear as to when it starts. So it's not going to be like, well, whenever they get to the wage garnishment, that's when it starts. It starts typically once the final judgment is entered or even when the agreement is signed, and you have the obligation to be paying during that time period until the wage garnishment comes in and replaces that. So don't fall behind on your child support and now get dragged into court for no reason at all on a motion for contempt just because the child support payments were made until the income deduction order was issued. Any questions or comments, feel free to post them in the comment section below.